Hello class. Today we are going to create a still life drawing that uses value to show form. So you need to know what value and form are. Value has to do with how light or how dark something is. So I'm showing value on the word value here by showing it lighter here and darker here with more dots. And here is the word form, and I'm showing form by making it look like it's three-dimensional. Forms are all three-dimensional. They have height, width, and depth. Okay, so let's get started with our still life that has form and value. Okay, first of all, your supplies, you will need your piece of paper, your pencil, and today we are using oil pastels. First of all, your paper is going to be the horizontal way, and we're going to start by drawing a few things on the back of our paper. Write your name at the top right corner. Okay, and we're going to do a few forms on the back of our paper. We're going to do a quick drawing of some different kinds of basic forms that you guys should know about. One of the very basic forms that everybody should know is a cube. And a cube looks like a box. So to start drawing a cube, I would start with a square. And on my square, I'm going to draw several diagonal lines. From the top right corner, I will draw a diagonal line. From the top left corner, I'm drawing a diagonal line. And notice that my diagonal lines are both going in the same direction. Then I will connect those two with a horizontal line. That makes it look like I have the top of my cube and one side of my cube. Then on the bottom left corner, I'm going to draw another diagonal line. It's going in the same direction as the other diagonal lines, and connect from here to here with a vertical line. Alright, and I'm going to label it cube. Okay, next, another common kind of form is a pyramid. And a pyramid has a triangle on the side. Okay, each of the sides has a triangle, but I can't see all of the sides. Just like the cube, I can only see part of it. So it looks like it's going back in space. I'm going to draw a diagonal line from the bottom left corner, and then a line from this corner at the top to my diagonal line. Okay, label your pyramid with the word pyramid. Next, I'm going to draw a cone. A cone is kind of like a pyramid because it's pointy on one side, but instead of being flat like a triangle on the side, it's round, like an ice cream cone. And when I look at an ice cream cone, if I'm holding it, one side is a circle, but when I see it in space, it will look like an oval because it looks flattened when I see it in space. So there's the top of my cone, and I draw two diagonal lines coming down to touch each other because the other side of the cone is pointed. Okay, now the next one is a cylinder. The cylinder, just like the cone, has a circle on one side. So I'm going to make an oval. And the cylinder has flat sides. Instead of turning into a point, it goes straight down. So from each side, I'm going to make a vertical line. And then at the bottom, there's another circle, but like the cube and the pyramid, I can't see the other side, so I'm only going to draw part of that circle, or in this case, part of the oval. So I'm going to draw half of an oval, which you could also call a curved line. Here is my cylinder. Okay, next I'm going to draw a